Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NGINX with Vultr, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Vultr account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Deploy New Instance button. Select the desired server location from the drop-down menu. Choose the operating system you want to use. For this guide, we'll use Ubuntu. Select the plan that suits your needs. Click on Deploy Now to create your instance. Once the instance is ready, find the IP address displayed on the instance details page. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use SSH to connect to your server by typing SSH root at your _server_IP. Replace your _server_IP with the actual IP address of your server. If prompted, type yes to continue connecting. Enter your root password when prompted. Now that you are logged in, update your package list by typing apt update. Once the update is complete, install NGINX by typing apt install NGINX. Press Y and then enter to confirm the installation. After the installation is complete, start the NGINX service with the command systeml start NGINX. To ensure NGINX starts on boot, type systeml enable NGINX. Next, check if NGINX is running by entering systeml status NGINX. If everything is working, open your web browser. Type your server's IP address into the address bar. You should see the NGINX welcome page. This confirms that NGINX has been successfully installed. For further configuration, navigate to the NGINX configuration directory by typing cd/etc/NGINX. Open the main configuration file using your preferred text editor, for example, nanonginx.conf. Make any necessary changes based on your project requirements. Once done, save and exit the editor. To check for configuration errors, type NGINX-T. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.